Hi my PlainJains, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making some black tinted Mylar nails. Mylar. Yeah, it's just those foils and this Mylar that's in this Raya set here. I cut up some iridescent foil. I'm going to be using some oval nails, our little flathead brush to apply our Mylar, and this tool right here. This would not work for me, but you'll see why later on. Just use a tweezer. We have our top coat from Mylar and our base coat from Beetles. So let's get into it. Oh, and of course, the tint of the hour, our black tint or jelly coat or whatever you want to call it, stained glass gel. That's what we're going to be using for our base color. So let's get into it. You already know that we have to set our foundation for our nails. Now, this is kind of my first time using long oval nails. I'm going to be honest, I really was trying to do those aura nails I saw on YouTube and did not work out for me. I literally have a love-hate relationship with builder gel, and right now I'm hating it. It did not work. I'm not going to say it didn't work because the effect came out really nice, but it was just the time and using the builder gel. You have to dip the foil in the builder gel, a thin layer, and then put it on top of the nail. And then for me, it just looked chunky, and then it was still kind of wet trying to shave down, and it was a no for me right now. So I decided to create something similar and still cute as if it was builder gel. And I think this technique will work because they came out so gorge, and you will see that in the end. But yes, we are going to be using these long oval nails to set off this look and the process. Now I'm applying my base coat because you already know we need that base coat for that foundation. And then we're going to cure for 60 seconds and apply our black tint or black jelly gel, if you will. And I'm going to go with 2 coats of that. So the first coat you're going to cure for 60 seconds, and then the second coat you're going to cure for 60 seconds, and then we're going to go over it with a top coat. And yes, we're going to be using a lot of top coat because that is how you get this kind of glass effect. And I love using Mylar top coat. I don't know what it is, I don't know what is in their formula, but every time I use their top coat, my nails come out so shiny and glossy and glass like. I love it. I love Mylar top coat. Like, they did their thing with that. Like, I buy that by the bottles. So definitely look into that if you're trying to do this look. But yes, go in with that first coat 60 seconds, and then with that second coat another 60 seconds. So now we're going in with our top coat from Mylar, and you can apply a very thin layer for this because we're going to use this to apply our Mylar and our foil. And with the Mylar, you're going to use maybe 3 to 4 pieces. I use the ones I cut up just for some contrast in Ria's Mylar kit or her little jar there. It's kind of like an orangey gold, but it reflects green and gold and some light blues and a little bit of silver. So it just depends on the lighting and I guess whatever is around that Mylar, which I think is really, really cute. I also think this look is really good for the fall because we are entering the fall season, and you can definitely wear this out for now, for Halloween, for the month of October to November, for Thanksgiving. Like, this look is definitely for the fall just because it emulates the leaves falling, the color of the leaves. So I'm really digging this look. So I'm going to take my brush, and as you can see, I already put the big pieces of foil that I cut up, and I'm going to add my Mylar around it. I try to find smaller pieces to put onto the nail, basically trying to cover up the spaces that was in between the big foil that I placed. And then once you do that, you're going to encapsulate with the Mylar top coat again. And like I said, we're going to be using a lot of top coat. Not a lot, but it's quite a bit, but that's okay. And when you are applying the Mylar, don't worry about anything like sticking up or, you know, sticking out once you apply your top coat, because we are going to fix that in a minute. But just cure after this, after applying the Mylar, and then I will show you how to smooth out this nail. We're going to go in with our electric filer. Again, there are going to be some pieces sticking up after you cure with that top coat, and it can be sharp sometimes, so you just definitely want your base to be smooth. So I'm not going crazy, I kid you not, it's just because the speed looks crazy, but I am just going over spaces that look like they have little nodules at the top or pointy spaces at the top that I'm just going to smooth out with my filer. You can definitely use a nail buffer or a nail file to do this process. I prefer this way because it's just easier for me to utilize, as well as I can look at the angles, and if you take your finger just to make sure that everything is smooth in the process. So I just like this method better. But you can definitely use a nail buffer or a nail file to smooth out your surface, and make sure it's smooth too, so you don't want anything scratching your client or yourself. Yes, we're going back in with our top coat again. This is to solidify the look and make it shiny and new. And look how gorgeous it looks already. It just, chef kiss, like, just wait, just wait. And this is the final look, guys. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Look how shiny and reflective they look. I'm so in love. Look at that iridescentness, that gold, that green. Those fall colors are coming through with a little bit of contrast and pop. Okay, that's it in the sun, so you can see how shiny it is. You can definitely do this process with builder gel, and it'll probably have the same effect or maybe even better. But again, I was not trying to play with that builder gel all day. And I love this set so much that I did make a toenail set as well. So if you want to shop this look, visit my Etsy shop. That link will be in the description box below. But I am definitely going to make a set of my own because these things are popping. Like, I definitely need me a toe set for this. And I'm also going to be making other nail shapes as well. So it'll be in ballerina, long square, short square. So check out that shop. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Would you guys wear these out for the fall season? Let me know in the comments below. Don't be scared. You can tell me the truth now. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye.